Everything is going on here at cosmetology. So we have been training cosmetologists since the late 1950s.
You can go anywhere in this career. I worked for John Paul Mitchell Systems as a national educator and a platform artist. I also had the opportunity to join the Hairstylists Union. They're in charge of booking all the hairstylists for any movie or television production.
It's hands-on, it's different, it's fun, it's exciting.
Laney definitely will prepare a student in all phases of cosmetology, such as theoretical fundamentals and hands-on training.
This was my start. If it wasn't for this, I would have never known about this world. What you get from this program is the opportunity. What you decide to do with that opportunity is totally up to you.
You must complete 1,600 hours of training in various practical hands-on subjects as well as your theory work. So you can come to Laney College and you'll be here for 1,600 hours, and within that time you'll learn all that you need to learn to be prepared to take the state board.
There's daytime program and there's also nighttime program for people that work or have kids. And also nighttime, it had been where there were a lot of students that had kids, so now they offer nighttime daycare, you know, and it just kind of works around your life. It's all on you on how long you want to take to finish. You know, they don't give up on you.
This is the place where you're going to get that preparation. The path of opportunity crosses the path of preparation. Right at that point brings anything you want.
I really like make people look good and feel good. That's my passion.
They have so much energy and they keep me focused, they keep me young, they're hungry to learn, so that pushes me. I know I have to be prepared for them each and every day, and I love coming here, I love my job.
My life has changed, and I was able to be given that because of this opportunity, this one step that I took here.
I definitely recommend someone to come here and study.
Thank you for watching Arts and Culture on Peralta News.